The price of one Theta Fuel / Tfuel coin right now is $0.0951. It's gone up 14% in the past 24 hours. The price of Tfuel ended higher than it started 49.78% of the time. One Tfuel has ever been worth as much as $0.6142, which happened 2 years and 9 months ago. The price is now minus 84.52% less than that all-time high. Out of 17 technical indicators, 12 say to buy and 1 say to sell. Based on technical price analysis, the short-term prediction opinion is bullish. The first big rising resistance for Tfuel is at $0.1249. It needs to close above that level to keep going up. The bottom support is at $0.0824. We could see the price drop even more if it falls below $0.0824. Anyway, if it can close above $0.1249, that means it can go up to the next level of support at $0.1446. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the last 14 days is at 59.84, which means that the market is not oversold or overvalued. In the same way, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the weekly chart is at 40.35, which also shows that the market is acting normally. Exponential moving averages show a strong sign on the daily chart. The price of Theta Fuel is above all of its 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day EMAs right now. In the past, the price of Tfuel on the last day of April was almost always higher than the open price. 4 times out of 5, it was lower than the price at the beginning of the month. In the past 6 years, February has been the best month for Theta Fuel. 5 times as much Tfuel was sold at the end of February as it was at the beginning of the month. 4 times out of 6, the price at the end of April was less than the starting price. April is the worst month. For more information, look at monthly results. Theta Fuel had 2 bull runs. The first one started in May 2019 and ended 293.04 days later at $0.0246. The price then dropped to its lowest point at $0.00147 before the next bull run. Since May 2019, it took about 2 years to hit a new all-time high. There have been 1,027 days since the last bull run in June 2021. It took 729 days for Tfuel to hit a new all-time high the last time. Our estimate for the price of Theta Fuel is that it could reach $0.0994 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think it will be worth $0.2083, and in 2030, we think it will be worth $0.4116. Even more, if you look at all the past highs and lower time frame predictions, you can see that 2040 will be $1.30. In 2025, $0.2083 is what people think the Theta Fuel price will be. That is the highest price we think Tfuel will go to. The lowest price we think it will go to is $0.1524.